Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phasmophobia training. The training mission is your first step into the spooky world of ghost hunting, designed to teach you the fundamental mechanics. You'll learn how to use essential equipment, identify different ghost types, and complete objectives. This introductory mission provides a safe space to practice before tackling more challenging contracts. It's crucial for understanding the game's core loop and preparing for real investigations. During training, you'll get hands-on with vital ghost hunting tools. The EMF reader, for instance, will spike to 5 if a ghost is nearby, indicating strong activity. The spirit box allows direct communication, but only in the dark. Place the ghost writing book in the ghost room to capture unique evidence. And don't forget the thermometer. It's your best friend for finding freezing temperatures, a key indicator of certain ghost types. Mastering these tools is essential for success. Accurately identifying the ghost requires collecting 3 pieces of evidence. For example, if you find EMF level 5, spirit box responses, and ghost writing, you've likely found a spirit. Other evidence includes fingerprints, visible with a UV light, and ghost orbs, which appear as small, floating lights through a video camera. Remember, each ghost type has a unique combination of 3 pieces of evidence. Use your journal to cross-reference your findings. To complete the training mission, your main goal is to correctly identify the ghost. Once you've gathered 3 pieces of evidence, open your journal and select the ghost type that matches your findings. After making your selection, simply return to the truck and exit the location. This successful completion signifies your readiness for more advanced contracts. The training mission is designed to build your confidence and foundational skills for future ghost hunts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.